In this video, we take the iPhone 12 Pro out for a little spin around the neighborhood to see how the camera holds up.
Now generally we're a few models behind on the iPhones. The main reason why we bought this camera was because Rachel smashed her screen on her iPhone 7 just like a week before this phone was released. So we figured, hey, this is a great opportunity to make it a business expense.
You know, they say that Tim Apple always makes your screen extra shatterable before the new model comes out. Speaking of expenses, thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
So if you're familiar with our channel at all, you probably know we don't do a lot of gear reviews, nor do we focus on the tech aspects of cameras very much. It's just not what we're passionate about. Instead, we like to focus on how you can use different tools to enable your creativity.
We're big fans of the fact that cameras on phones have kickstarted a lot of photographers' careers and have made cameras more accessible to everyone.
So if you're wondering whether or not you should buy the new iPhone 12, or if you want us to help rationalize your purchase of the new iPhone 12, we're not going to do either in this video.
Don't buy it.
Unless you want to, I guess.
Then go ahead and buy it. Instead, we're going to use it how we normally use iPhone cameras, to capture everyday life.
And we'll see how well the iPhone 12 allows us to do that.
My guess is it's pretty well.
So we're gonna make a photography scavenger hunt of sorts, and we're gonna take a walk around the Echo Park neighborhood of LA and see if we can check everything off the list.
If you think that's a good idea, feel free to take our list and then do it around your neighborhood from a safe and social distance.
Let's go for a walk. Okay, ready? Now.
Squarespace! All right, my first time making a website. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. Let's do this. I'm already done making my website. Are you surprised? I am.
I'm really impressed with Squarespace's blogging tools. Yay.
Whoa, they've got email campaigns? I'm totally gonna send one.
That was totally worth it.
Look at all this traffic overview. It's all right here. A year ago, I didn't think I could have my own beautiful website, but Squarespace made it so easy. Thank you.
This year, give yourself the gift of your own beautiful website with Squarespace. Save 10% when you use the code MangoStreet at checkout. Head to the link in our description to get started.
Okay, we honestly had like one of the best days that we've had in a long time, just going out and shooting with our phone.
Yeah, it's always nice to just focus on the basic elements of photography like light and composition and not worry so much about the gear. Now the iPhone 12 has a great camera, but it still does suffer from some of those traditional camera phone issues. For one, it does over sharpen photos, and to us that gives it a distinct phone look.
Also, as usual, sun flares with the iPhone camera tend to be a little bit unappealing.
And also the colors can be a little over the top sometimes, but in general the HEIC format in which we shot does give you a lot of latitude in post-production when editing, and we were pretty happy with the final results.
And while we haven't yet tested the night mode, in lower light situations, you do get a softer image with smudgier details.
And there's our smudgeness.
The iPhone's dynamic range has come a really long way over the years, and we were really happy with the HDR mode in this camera to retain as much detail as possible.
The bottom line is the iPhone 12 is a great camera to have with you at all times.
It's really, truly incredible. But will it enable you to create better work than its predecessors? Probably not.
If you don't like the photos that you're taking on your iPhone 7, buying the iPhone 12 is probably not going to fix that.
We'll see you in the comment section.
Like this video if you like controversial titles. Subscribe if you don't. Check out our new channels. Check out Daniel's personal finance channel and my fitness channel.
She just surpassed me in subscribers, so come on over to my channel, subscribe.
You can still come to mine too.
Okay.
A bigger party over there.
Ouch.
Comment something nice.
Comment something smudge.
Comment something smudge. And we'll see you next week if we all don't die this week.